I got Josh here today, and he is making a small tray, and he's working on his end pieces, and he wanted to know how we can take this piece out where your handle is going to be. And there's a couple ways you can do it. We could drill a tiny hole through there and bring it over to the scroll saw and pop out the blade, put it up through, and cut that whole thing out on the scroll saw. But we're going to go over to the drill press first, and we're going to actually cut a 7/8 inch hole with a Forstner bit here and here so that the ends come out perfectly rounded. And then all we have to do is connect those two using the scroll saw. So check this out. And here we are at the drill press. First thing we're going to do is line the center of that drill bit up where we want to drill. Second thing you want to notice is this sacrificial piece that we have in the back. We have that so that when you come out the back of this, this is going to support all the fibers and you're not going to get a breakout. All right, it's not going to break out on the back. So now we lower this down. Let me demonstrate on one, and then you'll do the next three. Go like that until you get that point. See the point?
Yeah.
Get that point right where you want it. Okay. And then we turn it on. It's already been set for speed. I'm going to grab this one back here, and we're going to go through. Piece on the bottom. We can dump that in the trash. Now the back, nice and clean. Right? All right.
Yeah.
Now you're going to try. Let's turn it off.
Right.
You line it up. Bring it down so that it touches right where those crosses meet in the middle.
Right there.
How's that?
That's
Good?
pretty good, yeah.
Hear how it broke through?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you're good. So if you look here, see this thing?
Yes.
This slides up and down.
Okay.
And when this comes down and hits that, that is how it stops. So let's check it out. Perfect. Now, we're just going to take this over to the scroll saw, and he's going to cut along here or here. We could also do it with a hand jigsaw if you didn't have a scroll saw, but he'll do it over on a scroll saw. He's going to finish drilling his holes first. So we've popped the blade out on the top of the scroll saw. We're going to put that up through the hole that he just drilled. We're going to reconnect. We're going to reconnect and retension. So now all Josh has to do is, and I'll demonstrate on one and he does the rest. Turn that on. Okay, the switch to turn it on is over here. You've used this before, yeah? And we're going to start at the top of this, and we're going to go along this line. We're going to go slowly. You have to hold it down, remember, Josh, okay? And don't worry about your fingers. You can have your fingers right next to the blade. It's fine. It's not going to come out and get you. It's going to help you hold it down. And when you come out of the cut nice and slow. Just like that. Ease into that circle.
Are you getting this?
All right, and then we turn it around and we come back. I'll get you started here. Just go nice and slow. It's a pretty straight cut, right? Should be perfectly straight. Come out slowly. Don't push so hard. Yeah, that was great. And then we'll shut it off. Not bad. He did okay on this one, huh? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
You look more like you seem confidenter on this one than the other
More
one.
confident.
Yeah.
I don't think confidenter is a word.
So now you're critiquing my English too.
Yeah.
It's okay though.